Welcome everyone. The first step to create a custom ringtone in your Nothing phone is we're going to open up the Play Store and I want you to search up for Glyth Composer. And you should see the Glyth Composer app, and this is by the Nothing phone team. And once this is installed, let's open this one up. And you can see now it's your turn. So let's select Get Started. And from here, you can tap to see what you're doing. Okay, and you can see it is actually, turning on the LEDs. And you can change the audio. That's pretty cool, right? But what would be even cooler is if we actually recorded this. So just tap on the record icon here. And we're going to allow the audio. And we're going to allow. And there we go, we have created a custom ringtone. So let's save that ringtone. I really love that one. Great. Oh, I spelled great wrong. So let's save this one here. And so you can see the preview. And there you go, you can see what we did. The magical performance. And so you can set this one as your default here. So I'm going to do that now. And I'm going to tap on OK. And we need to turn on modify system settings. And there we go. Default ringtone has been updated. So if we go back here and on the triple lines, you can see all of your custom ringtone you made. If you want to use the default ones again, you're going to open up the settings. And inside of the settings, you're going to locate the Glyth interface. You are then going to locate the ringtones. And you can see the ringtone. And it's selected My Sounds. But if you go to the Nothing Sounds, you'll have the default ringtones. With that being said, let's get this one playing. With that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.